Okay, my job. Truly combine style with function. Oh, sorry. Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of Stars of 𝗲𝘀. Today we will be diving into the world of 𝗲𝘀 Lynx Water Purifier. We are now at our customer's place, so let's head in and see what makes Lynx so special. Just look at the elegant design, it truly combines style with functionality. Now, let's invite our stars to share his thoughts of owning a Lynx at home. So, I ask you, how was your daily routine like before you own a water purifier? And how do you envision the water purifier enhancing your daily life?
Before I have this water purifier, I have a water boiler over here that I use to boil my water so that I can make coffee in the morning before I go to work. But in the morning, that's only for the morning. But at night, I need to put my water in the fridge so that I have cool water after my job every day after work. Yes, and not forgetting we need to cool our normal boiling water down to room temperature before we drink. But now with our water purifier, everything is in one system. We are able to get cold water, hot water, and even ambient water just using one purifier.
Thank you so much, Brown. We are thrilled to hear that you are enjoying our Lynx. Can you share your favorite features of it?
Yes, definitely. So first thing, for the technical aspect, I like the on-off water outlet before I change the filter, because it's a foolproof concept. You need to do that before you can remove the cover. Second, it is the cold water function. You do have two modes, which is like 4 degrees and 15 degrees, because some of my family members doesn't like very icy cold water, so you're able to adjust the cold water to 15 degrees where it's just cool and not so cold that it's hurting to the teeth.
Very short, right? Especially now Singapore is so hot.
Definitely.
Now, let's do a challenge. Let's see who can have their hot water fastest.
Sure, bring it up.
Ten years later.
𝗲𝘂, are you still filling up the jar? It is almost done.
Oh my god, so slow, I cannot take it. Finally, after 10,000 years. Hey Brown, thank you so much for accepting the challenge. You'll be receiving a little gift as a token of appreciation from us.
Sure, I hope now you know who can boil water faster.
Thank you all for watching the first episode of Stars of 𝗲𝘀. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Stay tuned for more exciting content and don't forget to like and subscribe.